Hi everyone, my name is Grace Jan Villa and I'm 17 years old and I live at Pagray Mayamot, Antipolo City. I study at Infotech College of Arts and Science. The course I took was ICT because I want to learn how to code and how to repair a computer and software issues, and I want to learn how to develop a games, applications, browsers, and etc. By the way, I want to say about myself that I love making friends. I want to talk to my friends, and I also love to research on the internet about news, medicines, games, mods, and other etc. And I want to search about processors because when I'm buying a cell phone, I always compare chipsets, RAM, ROM, and batteries and charging speeds because I don't want to be fooled by the seller that they say, "Oh, that cell phone is beautiful," but not true. That's why I love to research before buying a cell phone. And also I want to search about game modes, but I'm careful before installing them on my cell phone because there's a game that have a virus, etc. I also want to research about internet and others because I want to expand my learning skills and etc. My hobbies was cooking, playing online games, and watching YouTube online, and playing music. So, thank you for getting to know me, and also God bless you all.